Welcome to Li'l Teeth Dentistry. Today we are excited to share the innovative audio and video system designed specifically for this unique dental practice. Let's take a look at this transformation. Dr. Andre creates dental experiences that children associate with fun and excitement. At this most recent Smoky Hill Road location, his goal was to create a lasting impression, where kids and parents would want to come back. Inspired by the colossal dinosaurs, Dr. Andre wanted an equally large screen to entertain both children and adults in the waiting area. Initially, he entertained the idea of using a projector, but owner and creative director Mandel Rousseau of Control Freak pointed out that the large windows and ambient light would pose a problem. To overcome this, he proposed a large LED wall, which would offer the brightness and clarity needed to deliver a vivid picture, even in well-lit conditions. The result is a stunning display that captivates everyone. To ensure an immersive experience without disrupting the reception area, Control Freak utilized specially designed directional sound fields. These special beam panels focus sound specifically to the waiting area, minimizing spillover to the reception desk. To blend with the dinosaur theme, Mandel, also an accomplished visual artist, designed a custom mural featuring a pterodactyl with a giant toothbrush and a prehistoric backdrop. He had the design wrap and span the speakers. Mandel mentioned that attention to detail is crucial, and that when designing the mural, he matched the direction of the light source coming from the windows next to the fireplace. He added, the mural design was really an added bonus and surprise for the office. They split the video signal so that the same content could play across all screens, including the large LED wall. This continuity allows children to continue to watch the program they started in the waiting area. In the examination rooms, they installed the same type speakers with beam-forming technology, ensuring that each TV's sound was localized to its specific area directly below. This allows supporting family members seated close by the patient to be entertained without the TV sound distracting the doctor and assistant. Throughout the office, Samsung Frame TVs display beautiful artwork, adding to the aesthetic appeal. Dr. Andre successfully brought his vision to life at this new location. They have created an exceptional space that is functional, entertaining, and delightful.
At Control Freak, we thrive when given the freedom to innovate and deliver outstanding results.